Hello and welcome to Master English Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe to the Master English Podcast channel. My name is Alex.
And I'm Jennifer. Today we are going to talk about Christmas. We will practice the past simple tense.
Yes, we will ask and answer questions about Christmas. We will use words like was, were, did, went, ate, saw, played, and had.
These are all past tense verbs. We use them to talk about things that happened in the past.
Let's start our conversation. Jennifer, how was your Christmas?
It was good, thank you. It was very nice. How was your Christmas, Alex?
It was wonderful. I was very happy. Were you at home for Christmas?
Yes, I was. I was at home with my family. Were you at home too?
No, I wasn't. I went to my sister's house. She lives in a small town.
Oh, that sounds nice. Did you drive there?
Yes, I did. I drove for 2 hours. Did you have a Christmas tree?
Yes, I did. We had a small tree in our living room. It was green and beautiful. Did you have a tree?
Yes, my sister had a big tree. We put many lights on it. What did you eat for Christmas dinner?
I ate turkey and potatoes. I also ate some vegetables. The food was delicious. What about you? What did you eat?
I ate chicken and rice. I also ate a special cake. My sister is a good cook.
That sounds tasty. Did you get any presents?
Yes, I did. I got a new book and a warm sweater. Did you get presents too?
Yes, I did. I got a scarf and some chocolate. I love chocolate.
Me too. Did you watch any movies during Christmas?
Yes, I did. I watched a Christmas movie with my family. It was funny. Did you watch TV?
No, I didn't. We played board games instead. It was fun. We played for 3 hours.
That sounds nice. Did you see any friends at Christmas?
Yes, I did. I saw my old friend Tom. We went to school together. Did you see your friends?
No, I didn't. But I called my best friend on the phone. We talked for a long time.
Did you take any photos during Christmas?
Yes, I did. I took many photos of my family and our tree. Did you take photos too?
Yes, I did. I took photos of the food and the presents. I also took a photo of the snow. It snowed on Christmas Day.
Wow, you had a white Christmas. It didn't snow at my house.
Was the weather cold?
Yes, it was. It was very cold, but it was sunny. How was the weather at your sister's house?
It was cold and cloudy, but we stayed inside where it was warm.
Did you help with the cooking?
Yes, I did. I helped my sister make the cake. Did you help with the cooking at your house?
Yes, I did. I helped my mother make the turkey. I also set the table.
Did you sing any Christmas songs?
Yes, we did. We sang some Christmas carols. It was fun. Did you sing too?
No, we didn't sing, but we listened to Christmas music on the radio.
Did you stay up late on Christmas Eve?
Yes, I did. I went to bed at midnight. What about you?
I went to bed at 11 o'clock. I was tired.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did. I had a wonderful time with my family. Did you enjoy your Christmas?
Yes, I did. I enjoyed it very much. Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Mine too. I love Christmas.
Well, that's all for today's podcast. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about Christmas.
We practiced many past simple verbs: was, were, did, went, ate, saw, played, and had.
Try to practice these verbs when you talk about your past experiences.
Thank you for listening to Master English Podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Master English Podcast channel.
And keep practicing your English every day.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.